Hi everybody, I'm Melissa. I'm right here with Sayge. Can you say hi, Sayge? Hi. And we are back and ready to show you more ways that we have used BabyBeats. This is, BabyBeats is an app by Phonak and Advanced Bionics that helps develop speech and language for children and babies. So I'm going to show you ways that we've used it this week and then tell you about how it's impacting Sayge and what has worked for us. So check it out. Good You hear the quack, quack, quack? Quack, 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 look. Quack, 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 quack. Good movement, Sayge. What makes a woof woof now noise? Ow, ow, ow! Yeah. Or roof roof, like a
dog.
Yeah.
I got A-I-U.
What do we hear? Let's listen.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
I know. This is the quack.
What makes a quacking noise?
Quack, quack, quack,
A
quack.
duck.
That's right!
Quack, quack, quack.
What do we hear? Woof, woof, woof. Do you hear a dog, Sayge? I hear a doggy. Woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. This is a dog. Oh, you sweet thing. Are you giving the doggy a hug? Does a dog go woof, woof? Should we clap? Is a doggy dancing? Boop, boop, boop. Yes, let's clap. Let's clap. Oh, you want the doggy. You want to do a doggy. Yeah, here we go. Let's listen. What do we hear?
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quacks.
Quack, quack, quack.
Okay.
Quack, quack, quack.
Yay!
Quack,
Look at all the ducks,
Quack,
Sayge.
quack.
They're swimming
quack, quack,
in the
quack.
water. And they say quack, quack.
Quack, quack,
Do
quack.
they go splash, splash, splash? Splash, splash, splash. Are they swimming? Swimming in the water. Yay! Are they swimming? We have a pink, we have a white duck, and a yellow duck going splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Oh my! Sayge, do you hear the ooh, ooh, oohs? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We have a monkey! Can you give the monkey a hug? Yay! Oh, you like the dog. You want the woof woof? Woof woof woof? Yeah. Freeze. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 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 Can you dance with her? we loved using BabyBeats. The first setting that we used BabyBeats in was Sayge's actual baby group, and that was the first time we have heard of BabyBeats. And we do it. We meet as a group every other week, and every single time we meet, we do even just a little bit of the BabyBeats app. So all the kids really enjoy it. It's fun to watch them all, like when the music starts, they stop and you can tell that they're listening and being quiet, or they're responding. So it's really fun to see that. We also used it in just like normal everyday settings. So we used it when Sayge was in the high chair and eating her breakfast or her lunch. And we also used BabyBeats when we were getting ready to drop my son off at the bus stop. And we were with my phone with me all the time. Anytime we kind of had a couple minutes, we would put it on. And we loved having Sayge's brothers involved. Aiden loved being able to do it with Sayge, and at one point it turned into just like an impromptu dance party. So, can you say hi? So even though this app was made for babies, it was really fun to see my son, who's 5 with hearing loss, also be able to get the benefits and listening to the sounds, and even just seeing how far he's come. And I don't know, for anyone that has a child with hearing loss, it's, you know, there's certain milestones and certain goals that we had on his IEP that I was, at one point was like, I just seems like almost impossible that he'd be able to develop these speech sounds or develop the language skills. But it was really fun to see how well Aiden is doing at 5 years old and in preschool. So that was another cool piece. And so for Sayge, even though we're doing these activities, it seems like just getting her to respond and to when the music starts and when the music stops. I know it seems like such a little thing, but for a child with hearing loss, it's a big thing. I can see really subtle but really positive impacts from BabyBeats with Sayge. One of my favorites is Sayge's, like, immediately when the music comes on, she starts dancing. And I know that might seem like a small, to some people, like a small growth, but for Sayge, being able to recognize when music starts and when it stops is a really big deal. And we cannot say enough about how encouraged we are with Sayge's speech and language development. Sayge is 16 months and she has a number of words in her vocabulary, hi being her like #1 favorite, and Sayge is talking all of the time. Yay! She's talking all the time, and she's right there. I don't know if you can see her, but she is singing and she's dancing, and we are just so encouraged. And I know that the amount of time that we have been using BabyBeats is definitely playing a big role in that. You want to go in the basket? Ah, there she's in the basket. Do. In the, oh, are we rocking? Rockin', 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 rockin'. Can you say, bye everybody? Pound it. Woo! Is baby's yelling bye-bye. Bye-bye. Is baby waving bye-bye? Yeah. Bye-bye. Thanks, guys, and
please share this app and share this video so that as many people as possible can be exposed to this awesome app. Woo! Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.